Have you ever wondered what the difference is between England, Great Britain, and the United Kingdom? If so, you are definitely not alone. These names are often used interchangeably, but they actually refer to different things. Let's clear up the confusion once and for all. Let's start with England. England is the largest and most populous country in the United Kingdom, with London as its capital city. People from England are called English, and the main language spoken is English. England is famous for iconic landmarks like Big Ben, Buckingham Palace, Stonehenge, and the Tower of London. It's also home to the Premier League, widely regarded as one of the most popular and competitive football leagues in the world, attracting millions of fans every season. Now let's head north to Scotland. Scotland's capital is Edinburgh, while Glasgow is its largest city. People from Scotland are called Scottish, or Scots. The main language is English, although Scottish Gaelic and Scots are also spoken in parts of the country. Scotland is known for its breathtaking highlands, mysterious Loch Ness, centuries-old castles, bagpipes, kilts, and world-famous whiskey. It even has its own parliament, despite being part of the United Kingdom. Next is Wales. The capital of Wales is Cardiff. People from Wales are called Welsh. Both English and Welsh are official languages, making Wales one of the few countries in Europe where an ancient Celtic language is still widely used today. Wales is famous for its rugged mountains, beautiful coastline, medieval castles, and having more castles per square mile than almost anywhere else in the world. Now let's cross the Irish Sea to Northern Ireland. Its capital is Belfast, and its people are called Northern Irish. Most people speak English, while Irish and Ulster Scots also have official recognition. Northern Ireland is known for the stunning Giant's Causeway, dramatic coastal scenery, and the Titanic Belfast Museum, located where the famous ship was built. Here's another interesting fact. Unlike England, Scotland, and Wales, Northern Ireland does not currently have its own official national flag. Instead, it is officially represented by the Union flag, also known as the Union Jack, which is the national flag of the entire United Kingdom. You may sometimes see the Ulster banner at sporting events or in historical contexts, but it has no official status today. That's why, when all four countries of the United Kingdom are shown together, Northern Ireland is usually represented by the Union flag rather than a separate national flag. Just south of Northern Ireland is the Republic of Ireland. Its capital is Dublin. People from this country are called Irish. The official languages are Irish, also known as Gaelic, and English. Although it shares the island of Ireland with Northern Ireland, the Republic of Ireland is a completely independent country and is not part of the United Kingdom. The British Isles is simply a geographical term. It refers to the archipelago made up of the islands of Great Britain, Ireland, and thousands of smaller surrounding islands. It's about geography, not politics. Within those islands is Great Britain. Great Britain is the name of the large island that contains England, Scotland, and Wales. It's an island, not a country. Finally, there's the United Kingdom, officially called the United Kingdom of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. The United Kingdom is the sovereign country made up of England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland. Together, these four countries form one nation under a single sovereign state, while each maintains its own unique history, culture, and traditions. So here's the easiest way to remember it. England, Scotland, Wales, and Northern Ireland are all countries. Great Britain is the island containing England, Scotland, and Wales. The United Kingdom is the country made up of Great Britain and Northern Ireland. And the Republic of Ireland is a separate, independent nation. Now you know the difference between England, Great Britain, and the United Kingdom. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more fun and easy to understand geography videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.